Are you tired of Snapchat constantly suggesting random people to add? Like, who are even these people? If you want to get rid of friend suggestion and stop Snapchat from bugging you with this quick ad recommendation, I got you. Today, I'll show you how to remove friend suggestion on Snapchat in just a few easy steps. So, if you're already on Snapchat, tap profile icon in the top left corner and tap setting icon. Now scroll down until you see me in quick add. This is the setting that controls whether you show up in other people's friend suggestion. Now toggle off the see me in quick add option. This will stop Snapchat from suggesting you to others, and it can also reduce the number of random friends suggestion you get. No more weird requests from people you don't know. If Snapchat is still suggesting way too many people, you might have contact syncing turned on. Let's fix that. Tap sync contact and turn it off. This stops Snapchat from scanning your phone contact. So bonus tip, still getting annoying, you might know notification. Let's turn those off too. Go to setting on your phone, find Snapchat in the app list, tap notification and disable friend suggestion. And no more unwanted friend recommendation. Just like that, Snapchat will stop bugging you with random friend suggestion. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe and turn on notification for Snapchat hacks.